Hi you guys, so I have a new sponsor here on the channel today. They go by the name of Blackmoon. They sent me this wig to test out. This is a stock wig. They say it is 26 inches. This is a 13 by 4, so you don't get a lot of parting space. It's very limited. You do have combs and adjustable straps. If you are at 22 or 23 circumference, you can fit this wig, so it is somewhat big head friendly, but if you're bigger than that, then you would not be able to fit this wig. It has combs, adjustable straps. It came pre-plucked and the hairline was perfect on this unit. So this is my friend Janisha. She wanted to try a wig, and so I was like, okay, let's do the thing. So I already have her prepped with her stocking cap, and I'm cleaning her hairline because we're going to use glue. She's using glue for the first time, and I gave her the rundown of how to take care of her hair and, you know, how to remove it and everything like that. So this is a 26-inch wig, but we did go in and cut this into a bob. That's what she wanted. This is the only wig that I had on hand, and she did not want long hair. So I would say if you do want a bob, get shorter hair, don't cut it, but this is what I had on hand. So to apply the wig, I am using Bow Hold Active, and I'm doing 3 thin layers of Bow Hold Active for her install. I left some clips in here so you guys could see or hear her reaction and how funny she is. I was thinking about like having videos with my friends, like not hair related, but us just talking about like topics, because the conversations are so funny. What do you guys think about that? Because I know this is a hair YouTube channel, but I do want to, like, you know, broaden it, expand it. So basically I do a layer, let it get dried clear, then do another layer, let it dry clear, then do another layer, let it dry clear. If I go outside of the lines that I'm putting on, I'll just take some alcohol on my rag and clean up the mistake that I did before I lay the wig down.
I make sure that it matches my natural skin tone, because when usually I don't have on makeup. Like every day I just be regular. So
not on the gram, yo shit.
Yeah, I have to be like that on the gram.
It was bomb. I'm like, I want a wig. I want I want some makeup. I want some lashes. Hell yeah, she been making me want one for a while, but I was scared.
I swear to God, and then when I be posting mine, people be like, who do your frontals? Like, I'm like, my friend, but she don't do people hair.
And ain't that hard to say? You just want to get her all the money.
Like, bro, you know how many people want you to do the hair? Don't let your man pull that off and have a little baby.
I'll be here. I don't play with Chris.
Because when you be looking like a new person, they don't know what to do.
Man, I told them I'm gonna be a new girl every time now.
Hello.
So like I said, this is her first wig, so her reaction to this is just hilarious. So I'm gonna just pin her hair back and cut off the excessive lace.
Girl, this look like my skin. Like, how the fuck it look like my skin?
That's why I put the makeup in the middle.
Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Damn. It look like my skin. Oh my gosh.
So like I said, this hairline was perfect. If I wanted to make it real pluckety, like real more natural looking, I could go in and plug it more, but because this is her first wig, I do want it to last a long time for her, and so she could get more wears out of it. So I did not want to go heavy on the customization, because when you do go heavy on the customization, your wig is not going to last.
I do the whole process.
You can't even see no lace. Oh my God.
Sing for you.
Oh shit, look at it on the camera. I'm looking in the mirror, but on the camera, oh my God. So I'm like, maybe, I don't know. And then, you know, I got a big ass forehead. Not no more.
I hit it, huh?
Yeah, like I ain't got no frozen no more.
That's why you wear bangs?
Hell yeah, my forehead is big as hell.
No, it's not.
Sade, like you could put your whole hand and your thumb on my forehead.
No.
That's big.
So I went in and cut off her excessive lace with my eyebrow razor, or you can use shears or scissors, or you can use the ZigZag Scissors to do this. But yeah, I went in and cut off the excessive lace, and then I also go in with my spritz and baby hair brush just to lay down her baby hairs. I like using spritz because it's not super sticky. I feel when you use Got To Be or the Free Spray or even mousse, like the hair becomes super sticky, and I don't like that. I'd rather it be molded and then I could comb it out. And so after I get the hairline down, I am going to go in and straighten out her hair with my Nano titaniums. Everybody asks me about my flat irons. I will leave that down below in the description box for you. And I'm just going to go in and flat iron her hair before I go in and cut her bob. So if you ever see me cut a bob, you guys know that I usually do this on my mannequin head. But when it comes to like people ordering bobs, like it's kind of hard because everybody neck length and head length is different. So like a 10-inch bob is going to sit differently on me versus on you versus on my friend Janisha. Like it all will sit differently because we have different measurements. Our necks are different measurements. Our shoulders are different measurements. Some people have broad shoulders. Some people don't. So, you know, that's something that you have to remember when you are ordering like short hair like that. So, I'm just gonna go in and use my Conair clippers. I actually need to buy some new clippers. So I want some edge clippers because those will cut even way better. But I'm just gonna take that and just roughly cut, you know, her bob, and then I'm gonna go in and clean her bob up. You guys are going to see a lot more of my friends on my channel because I'm practicing putting on wigs on different people. I want to get really good at this, so you are going to see me do other people's hair on my channel a lot more. I do want to notate that after we finished recording, I noticed that one side was a little bit longer than the other. So off camera I went and cut it, but I didn't get that footage to make sure that everything was super even. But whatever the case may be, her hair came out bomb. She loved it. She loved it. So when you're cutting bobs, you also want to tell your client or you want to move your mannequin head to like tilt different ways so you can make sure that the underneath is not longer than the actual rest of the hair, especially if it's a blunt bob. Now if you're doing like a feathered look, then that's fine, but if you're blunt, you want to make sure it's super neat.
Like, damn.
Janisha, your hair is cute.
This shit looks like one of them, you know, from Clueless.
Yeah, that's my movie.
Yeah, that's what it looked like. I'm about to put on a plaid skirt.
I cannot.
Mm-hmm.
We can't even get you to take one shot.
That's my
8
favorite.
shots, that's out.
Okay, so tell me how you feel.
Well, I feel like I was in the movie Clueless, and these two little X's in the baby hair is giving me like, it's the hairline for me. Like, that's what it is. You recording?
Yes.
Oh shit. I mean, like, what should I say?
You said how you feel. I already got
I didn't know you was recording. I thought you was asking me a real question. Oh my god.
Okay, so this your first time wearing a wig?
Yes.
And how do you feel about that?
I feel like I just got a full head weave because it's so light and flawless, and Cynthia did it. And I love it.
Okay, so you gonna try more wigs now?
Oh no, I'm wearing wigs forever. That's a given. Like, I'm definitely coming back getting wigs on top of wigs on top of wigs.
Okay, now turn around and then shake it so they can see how it moves.
When I move, it moves just like that.
Okay.
Ain't no stiff wig. You know them little stiff wigs that be from the beauty supply?
Yeah. Oh no, so we don't wear those.
We don't do those. We don't.
How do you feel about the actual hair though?
The actual hair is silky, like it's soft.
So this was 24 inches and we cut it down to probably about 10 inches. So it's cute and Janisha likes it. She loves it for her first wig.
First wig and won't be last.
Okay. Well, until next time, bye you guys.